Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to mirror an image in Google Docs. It's very simple, let's get started. Okay, firstly, we need to click on Insert at the upper left corner. After that, you need to hover the mouse over Drawing and select New. Okay, now just drag your image and drop right there. Okay, and now all we need to do is just take one edge of the image, for example the left edge, and pull it backwards to the right. Good. And now you can adjust the size of the image by pulling the other edge. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Have a great day.